Click on the link below to get price. The 40450RVC3 is an aftermarket replacement automatic transfer switch designed for 50A120/240V applications. It serves as a compatible option for systems that require reliable power transfer, particularly those using SOUTHWIRE equipment. This switch is an essential component for users seeking a dependable method to transition between utility and generator power, ensuring seamless operation during power outages or when off-grid solutions are necessary. In terms of construction, the 40450RVC3 is built with durability in mind. The materials used are designed to withstand typical wear and tear associated with electrical components, making it a suitable choice for various environments. This transfer switch is engineered to handle the demands of a 50A load, making it appropriate for residential or light commercial applications requiring significant power. One of the key features of the 40450RVC3 is its automatic operation. This means that when a power outage occurs, the switch will automatically detect the loss of utility power and transfer to generator power without requiring manual intervention. This feature is particularly beneficial for users who may not be present during an outage, ensuring that critical systems remain operational without delay. Furthermore, the automatic functionality contributes to enhanced safety, as it reduces the risk of human error during the transfer process. Installation of the 40450RVC3 is straightforward, although it does require a certain level of familiarity with electrical systems. It is recommended that installation be carried out by a qualified electrician to ensure compliance with local codes and safety standards. Once installed, users can expect a reliable performance, as this transfer switch is designed to operate smoothly under various conditions. In conclusion, the 40450RVC3 aftermarket replacement automatic transfer switch offers a practical solution for those needing a dependable power transfer mechanism. With its sturdy construction, automatic operation, and compatibility with SOUTHWIRE systems, it is well suited for residential and light commercial use. By providing a seamless transition between utility and generator power, this product contributes to maintaining essential operations during outages. Users considering this transfer switch will find it a worthwhile addition to their power management setup, enhancing both safety and convenience in times of need.